Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to show you a brand new wireless microphone kit that the team here at Drone Valley has put together that I think you're going to really like. Now, this project started about 3 years ago when I sat down with the team and I said, I'd like to record audio on my smart controller anytime I'm doing a screen recording, and that way I can add commentary and narration of my drone flights, and that audio will be blended in with the media content I'm recording and actually produce a clip that I can post to social media immediately. So the team sat down and started thinking about how do we inject audio through the USB-C port into the smart controller to blend in with the recording that was going on. And it seemed like an easy problem to fix, but I can tell you it was a lot of work because DJI in their infinite wisdom didn't fully deploy the USB-C standard. They were missing a couple of connections, a few grounds were missing, and even worse, they deployed it differently across all of the smart controllers, so none of the connections were exactly the same. So we had to actually crack open all the smart controller cases, take a look at the USB-C port, see where the grounds were, see where the grounds were missing. And once we figured that out, then we had to focus on the microphone, the cable, and the connector. So we picked a microphone that did basic noise cancellation. We had a really high quality cable, and more importantly, the connection that plugs into the bottom had to be wired very specifically. So we spent almost a year putting together that wired solution, and it worked great. I know a lot of you guys were fans of it and you're using it, but I like taking technology to the next level and I like throwing a challenge at the team. So after about a year and a half, I came to the team and said, I'm using it and it's working great, but I don't like that cable dangling between the microphone and the controller because it gets snagged on things and it's just kind of ungangly. Can't we develop a wireless solution that clips on your shirt, has a wireless connection to a receiver that plugs into the bottom of the smart controller? So they went back to work and they went through about 7 different iterations and finally released this product about 2 years ago. Now this is the Drone Valley wireless microphone solution for the smart controllers, and it does a great job. It's got a single receiver and a single microphone. You can plug the receiver into the bottom of your smart controller, clip the microphone here, and just start recording audio, and it works really well. But that's 2 years ago. So again, I like challenging the team. I said, okay, we need to update that because I'd like to use that with other products. I'd like to have a better connection. I want to change a few things. So I threw some challenges at them, and the first one was the connection technology between the microphone and the receiver is Bluetooth. Now, Bluetooth works really well if you're in close, but it limits the bandwidth, which means your audio is not going to be as rich as it would be if you're using a different transmission technology. So I said, let's drop the Bluetooth. Let's move to some kind of Wi-Fi connection. 2.4 gigahertz is fine for close in. So let's move to 2.4 gigahertz. The next thing, I said, I want to have dual microphones because I found that a lot of times when I'm out there flying and recording audio, I have a buddy with me and he's not being picked up on the microphone. So give me 2 microphones that connect to the receiver, and that way 2 of us can record audio. It's blended together and it's on the same clip. So the new one's got 2 microphones. And then I said, we need better noise cancellation because this did a really good job of canceling noise, but the problem with it was really basic noise cancellation, which meant all it did was reduce the noise, but it also reduced your voice. So if there was a lot of loud noise around you, the audio might drop a little bit for your voice. So I wanted to move to some type of adaptive noise cancellation where it's smart enough to know where your voice is in that frequency and let your voice come through, but knock down all the other nuance around you like trees rustling and horns going off and wind blowing past. So this is a lot smarter. Now, there are a lot of wireless microphone kits on the market that may look like this. The one way you can tell that the product has adaptive noise cancellation is by looking at the transmitter. You'll notice there is no dead cat or windscreen on there, and you don't need one because it's got adaptive noise cancellation, which means it knows wind versus voice versus trees, and it's smart enough to knock down all the annoying noise and let the good stuff come through. So if you're looking at a kit that has a windscreen or a muff on it, it doesn't have that adaptive noise cancellation. It's still the basic noise cancellation. Then the final thing I threw at them was I said, look, this is great, beautiful kit, works well with the smart controllers, but I'd like to use it for other things because I have tablets, I have phones, I have action cameras. Can I use that particular kit with a bunch of other stuff? Now that's a challenge because making it specifically to work with the smart controller kind of changed it a little bit to work with other things. So they had to really work on that. And now I'm here to tell you it works with everything. So if you've got a product that has a USB-C port on it that can record audio, whether it's your phone, your computer, your action camera, whatever it happens to be, this is going to work great. And then I said, well, what about the older Apple products? Because it's USB-C. We had to go out and search for a USB-C to Apple audio converter, which is not something you're going to find a lot of places. And they tend to be very expensive because there are connectors for charging that'll turn a USB-C into an Apple. This one handles audio and it handles on a wide bandwidth. So you've got the kit that you can use with everything, including your smart controllers. You've got the adapter if you've got an older Apple product. So it's kind of the everything kit. 2 transmitters, single receiver, 2.4 gigahertz transmission technology, adaptive noise cancellation. I don't know what more you could ask for. Charging case, you drop the stuff back in, it'll charge it. The last thing I went after was the charging cable, because with this one, it was a standard USB-A to USB-C, which worked great for the charging kit. This one has 2 microphones. So what if I don't have the charging kit with me? Let's develop the cable to be a USB-A to 2 USB-C. Now these are pretty common in the market, but I wanted to include a dual USB-C charging cable, so if you didn't have your case with you, you could charge the microphones on their own without the case. So we tried to do everything we could to build this to be as flexible as possible, to handle as much equipment as possible, adaptive noise reduction. I mean, it's got everything you need. So even if you're not flying a drone, maybe you're doing YouTube or TikTok or who knows what, you can plug it into your laptop or your phone and just start recording beautiful audio. Here I have the Osmo Pocket. It works great with that. You basically just plug it into the back of the unit, plug the microphone, turn the microphone on, stick it on your shirt, and start recording your audio. And then the last thing I said was, I can't have this be an incredibly expensive product because, let's be honest, there are really a lot of companies that make wireless microphone solutions, and they typically fall into 1 of 3 categories. The really expensive, professional quality ones that are hundreds of dollars, the inexpensive ones that are down in the bottom end of the price band that don't have the adaptive noise reduction, they're using Bluetooth, they don't last that long as far as how long you can use it before you have to charge it, and they're okay. I mean, they get the job done. I wanted to be somewhere in the middle with this product, so that was the hardest part of this whole equation, was to find a manufacturer and a manufacturing process where we could put this together, get it to the United States with all the tariff stuff that's going on right now at a price that we think is reasonable, and you'll find that these two are only a couple of bucks difference between them. So, I mean, the leap from here to here is major, and the pricing is not that much of a difference. So this fits, I think, right in that Goldilocks zone where it gives you everything you need. It's not crazy expensive, but it isn't really feature deficient like a lot of those cheaper sets are out there in the market. So we're darn proud of it. We think this is a really wonderful product, and I think you're going to like it a lot as well. Now, if you're interested in this, or if you have questions, drop those in the comments below, and I'll get back to you and answer as many questions as I can. But if you're interested in this, it's a Drone Valley product. We produce it, we send it, we stand behind it. We've been around more than a decade. We're not going anywhere. So we're going to offer this both on our website and through Amazon. We have plenty of these in stock. We ship the same day you place the order. So if you're interested in this, hit the links below. Make a purchase and we'll get one right out to you. I really like tackling these kind of problems because for me as a nerd, when I find something that irritates me or something that I want to do that I can't do with other products, we sit down as a team, we try to tackle it, and we produce a product like this. And we probably release 1 or 2 products a year, so this is our first one for 26. I got a couple more things we're working on, so stay tuned for that. But right now, this is our winner for us. So thanks an awful lot for watching. I can't tell you how much we appreciate your support. It's just been overwhelming. So thank you so much for supporting the channel. And again, thanks again for watching. So until next time, as always, stay nerdy.